So we're at Dyno Day, and of course something decided to go bad. So this is a brand new alternator, it's been in the car for a minute, and all of a sudden now it wants to stop charging. So now I gotta switch this out and put a new one in before it could take off. Pursuit of higher boost. 572.
Oh man, how do you
So we're here at the dyno. We're gonna run. I'm gonna record a few runs to see what it does. 'm to take off the bumper because my radiator fan isn't strong enough, so it was overheating a little bit. So we're just gonna run it right now. Hopefully this helps, and that's it. Okay, so this is after the dyno, this is aftermath, everything that happened. Yes, we were not able to get full boost because we had a few issues that popped up. The rear diff started having issues. We had plenty of fuel leak issues. We had just a whole bunch of little BS stuff that happened. So right now we're back again to the drawing board. So we're just taking everything apart. Let me see, there's a few issues I had. Let's see if I can count. So we had a boost leak issue, so I have to redo the pipe. The actual wastegate, the actual blow-off valve, the screw at the top stripped out and flew out, so we had to redo that on the dyno, so I have to fix that. My fan was not strong enough previously, so this is just one I use for a mock-up. So this is a new spout fan that should be able to push a little bit more. Turbo was good, everything did well, motor went well, so it has a nice good base map. So that ended up finding out that I put gas in this, but the actual gauge, I read it, I think it's being impeded by something, so I have to fix that. I have to actually mount the battery box and everything. I do have that, and I have a small little fuel leak right here coming out from one of these fittings, so I have to redo that line or tighten it up and fix the rear end. So in here is where the biggest changes will be happening. I will be swapping out from the CRV shifter, this assembly I used, to the AWD Accord one. So I received a shifter bracket from S1 Built for the B series to K series adapter, so I will be putting that on. I'm just waiting for the base plate to come in. So let's see if we just also have to bleed the clutch. The clutch was a little weak. And let's see if we just start her up. Make sure there's no fuel leak. Like I said, I did have a fuel leak issue, so that got fixed. And I don't know what happened, all these vibrated out. This screw is still missing. I have to get a new one of that. The seal on these screw vibrated out, and the O-ring at the bottom got pinched. So yeah, a lot of small issues we have to deal with now. Starts right up.
Look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.